Well, hello there, YouTube. Once again, been a little bit since I chit-chatted with you kind folks. You know me, I always end up by these daggum railroad tracks one way or the other. No trains I've seen today. That's those mainline tracks that going north and south. A lot of trains come through here. I mean, a ton of them. But anyway, a couple videos back, you guys see me, talking about 900 Rykers, the 600 Rykers, the Ryker Rally, which is a 900. Well, it's time to, swap out to a 2019 Spyder for the season. And so I returned my beloved Champagne Dark Edition 2018 Spyder RT Limited. Yeah, I was looking at a Dark Edition Asphalt Gray 2019. But I did some pondering. And I decided on a Ryker Rally. I've actually had the thing several months. I just haven't, seems like several months, maybe a couple months, I don't know. But, winter was here and a lot of non-riding times. But, yeah, she's, 300 and something miles, whatever it's got on it now. Kelly's been riding it. If you follow the daily vlog, you'll see her ripping around on it. But fun. The fun factor of this thing is like level 11. It is crazy, crazy, crazy fun. They're fast, they're sporty, they handle good. But let's quit gawking at it and talking about it. Let's go for a little rip. Y'all didn't even know I had this thing if you're not watching the daily vlogs. Fun. Crazy, crazy fun. I know probably the majority of you probably watch both channels, but you'd be surprised how many times a day I get somebody that goes, "Whoa, I didn't know you had the other channel," on the daily vlog thing. But anyway, speaking of this vlog, here a few days back, whenever it was, we broke 30,000 subscribers on this channel. And we're just shy of 17 million views. So thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys. Man, it looks like just mud come rushing down. Doesn't it look like a mud flow came down this road? Yeah, that is slippery too. But this Rally has the KYB. There's even a higher option for Fox shocks for the Rykers, and you can do that to any of them. But the Rally, right out of the box, come that shutter bump thing. Oh, I don't remember that road going back there. Huh. Yep, they done logged all. Remember the last time we came up, they had logged a bunch. Now they've logged a bunch more. But yeah, anyway, these KYBs work fantastic. I think I need to kick them up one notch though, because I have it set for Kelly. Just the damping, I haven't made any spring preload adjustments. I haven't found the need to it. I think the logging company's like added some roads here. Let's rally the Rally. Oh, we could end up with some really cool views out here. Oh no, that's rain back there. And everything's moving towards where I live out there in Toledo. And the Rally is a little more, on-road, off-road. I mean, you can't go bombing down, one-track trails, obviously. Light fire road stuff, that kind of stuff is okay. It's a higher ground clearance than the other Rykers, but it is, too low for any kind of serious riding. You end up, hitting up front. But this kind of stuff, oh man, it's just lovely. But I haven't come up here in a while, so I thought, well, if we're gonna take them for a MotoVlog on a Ryker rally, we need to rally a little bit. This thing is just too much fun. Rally mode. She'll just smoke. It turns traction control and vehicle stability control off, but it doesn't turn it totally off. It'll still, you know, prevent you from flipping over and stuff like that. And one of the things I've noticed is it lets you have a ton of fun unless you're going too fast. If you get going too fast, it mutes you down a little quick. I'm doing some hill climbing today, Jack. Yeah. Remember I took you and my kid up here. You guys with myself and my kid. Remember you got lost back there on Yamaha Hill way back there and scared the heck out of me? Look at these views up here. Man, how many miles on dirt bikes I put on up here. There's some really cool stuff back there, but stuff I'm not willing to attempt on a three-wheeled vehicle. But it's not meant for that, you know. It's okay to take it off-road. You don't have to worry about belts or anything like that. Man, that is just pouring down rain back there. Oh, and it is definitely, he's moving in a northeasterly direction. It was supposed to be mostly wet today. God, that is beautiful. Yeah, buddy. Oh no, not the downhill. No. It is amazing how well the suspension works. Oh, you know what? I told you I was gonna swap that thing over. Did I? Can't see it past my helmet. There we are. That's just compression damping. That might make it. Oh yeah, that feels better. That's weird. That thing is that sensitive. Come on. Are you kidding me? Beautiful out here. As long as that rain cloud doesn't come and get me, it will continue to be beautiful. That's some big old holes. I don't want to bounce through them things. It just, I'm telling you, the fun level of this thing. You just ride along with this stupid smile in your helmet. When you ride one of these things, make sure you wear a full face helmet, because you might look like you might be a little light upstairs in the sanity department, walking around with this huge knucklehead grin on your face. Oh man, that is wonderful. Wow, can you see how heavy that rain is up there? Straight ahead and get you out of the way. It's just poof. That is, hit the brake so hard I pushed the tank bag off its magnet. That is a soaker right there. See if I can tell you where Toledo here is. Yeah, it's Toledo, straight out that way. And that's heading man, tell me that doesn't look like it's taking a beeline shot. Man, the smell of that fur is amazing. God, just think if that was cedar, that would just, I might just black out for a little bit, get OD'd on the cedar smell. Oh, but that fur smell is really good. Somebody asked me the other day, when am I going to start up the smell-o-vision on my channel? I go, soon, man. Soon, as soon as possible. Because you guys just have no idea what you're missing. Unless you live in the Pacific Northwest or a place like it. The weird thing about riding one of these things off-road is the way the well, I guess I could put the pegs all the way back. The way the pegs are, you can't really stand. Did you see the little chipmunk run across? But yeah, you might be able to stand up with the pegs all the way back, but it makes my knees come up too high, and it feels like a mid pegs on a Sportster, just exaggerated. All right. Daggum. Trying to stay out of the wet, soupy stuff, but I don't want to cross a hill on the wrong side of the road for obvious reasons. This ought to be a breathtaking view here as well. Let's not leave it in rally mode. That turns a little too much off for being on the road. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Wow. You ever notice how much horsepower your car and your motorcycle and everything else has when you're on wet road or a little slippery, silty gravel like that? What's the nice thing about that is it doesn't wear your tires off quite as bad. It does. It looks like there's a mud flow that ran down through here. Man, I don't know if that camera gives you any sense of how steep this hill is, but it's steep. Fun level is as high as you can reach. You know, when you do the level, it's as high as you can reach. Look at this old barn, a cool little house back there. Look at that picturesque little area there. That is some kind of cool. Red Mill, private road. Stay out. Well, you guys haven't even seen the lake yet, but you're about to. Ta-da! I say lake. It's a pond. Oh, somebody's burning stuff that smells really good. Man, doesn't that make you want to just bust your little canoe out and just do laps around the little pond? That's so beautiful down there. Oh, they got little paddle boats and a little booth down there. Hey, they were working on that house last time I was up. That thing is full on, I think, being lived in even. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at the deck going all the way around it. That is beautiful. See the little walk bridge on the other side, straight out. That is some kind of cool. Man, somebody's burning brush back there and it just smells so good. I feel like I'm at a campsite somewhere. Look at the reflection of the little walk bridge out there. Ooh-wee. Man, that just makes you glow inside. All that beauty, smell of that brush burning, having that campfire smell. Look at the log house up there, 2-story log house. That is incredible. That is the coolest little, it's a small 2-story. It's so cool looking. So welcome to the Ryker. We're gonna have it all season, so I hope to do way more rides on this thing. And I'll be taking you guys along on as many as possible. You know, the first thing that, you know, the people that don't want to spend a lot of money, their first thought is you know, can I buy a cheap Spyder and turn that into my touring bike? And I go, not a Spyder. You know, yeah, you can tour on it, but it's kind of the same philosophy as touring on a Sportster. You absolutely do it. The bike will absolutely handle it. Everything would be cool, but you're on a small motorcycle. How comfortable on a long distance trip are you going to be? I mean, the Spyders are very refined and big and cozy, comfortable. This is kind of a sport bike, which is not to say you can't do it, but you know, each person's threshold for comfort over long distance is different. But I've got the aftermarket seat on this thing, and what's funny is if you look at the description on the little part tag thing, it calls it high-end driver seat. But comfort level of that seat is amazing. I keep thinking I'm gonna pull up a label somewhere and it's gonna say Mustang underneath there. It's almost like BRP had Mustang build that thing. Crazy comfortable. I've had several people ask, is that thing any more comfortable than the stock seat? Way more comfortable. The stock seat is just a big chunk of foam. And it's not uncomfortable. Way more comfortable, but I think it's crazy expensive though. But anyway, thank you guys very much for coming along for the rip. Like I say, we'll try to do as many more as possible. And sorry about the delay in showing you this thing on this channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments and the likes, and we'll chit chat with you on the next outing. Take care now. Bye bye.